Hey guys, it's Yvette. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have received my ipsy bag. And the really strange thing is, and I don't know if it's just because of all the other boxes I've been getting that maybe are heftier. It just feels very light. I don't know. Maybe that's a good thing. I have no idea. So my goal for today is to get this all open and shown to you in like less than 10 minutes. How about we try to do that? Okay, so let's get it open. Because if we don't get it open, that'll never happen. Okay. It's stuck pretty good right now, I can tell you that. Okay, and there's something on the outside of the bag, so it must be something that's bigger than the bag, which makes sense. Okay, so here is the bag for this month. It's got all the cute little butterflies on it, and it's mauve on the back. Well, it's sort of purple. I guess it's purple. Yep, so it's purple on the back with lots of little butterflies and little shiny sides on the front. So if we can look inside, but what I'm going to do, Jelly Bean, what do you think, buddy? It's Jelly Bean. So the first thing is we have a brush that was on the outside because, you know, it just simply doesn't fit. And this is, let's see if it tells us. Well, it doesn't really tell us what the brush is for. It looks like, to me, some sort of eyeshadow brush. It is slightly tapered a little bit. It's very, very soft, but the core of it is a little stiff, which is good. I'm pretty sure that's like for eyeshadow. I don't wear like powder eyeshadow. I've now discovered, I don't know if you guys see I've got this on, but it's a cream. And I just glide it on and then use my finger to just kind of blend it in a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's like saved my life in regard to the eyeshadow, because I always wanted to put eyeshadow on. I'm just not good at it. I'm like really bad. For some reason, I end up with like eyeshadow all over the place and I look like I got beat up. I don't know. I don't get it, but the cream, love it. Okay, next item. I gotta stop talking so much. I talk a lot, I know. Oh, okay, so the little, what card says social butterfly. So for April, we're all social butterflies. And that's totally me. I'm a social butterfly. I love meeting new people and stuff like that. So on the back it says, fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. And that's very true. And then they have something that's in parentheses and in a font size of probably like 4. I can't read that. I have no idea what that says. But the fact is, life's too short. That's all we need to know. So the next item that's in my bag is, it's by Ciate, something Tay. Because it's got the E with the little on the top, and I know what that is because my middle name is Renee, and it has a little, so that's how you know that Renee. Oh God, this is why my videos are all 40 minutes long. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so it is called Starstruck. It says limited edition, and I just don't know what it is. Okay, so let me just get it open because it's got this plastic wrap on it. So, I mean, I'm assuming, you know, if I'm looking at this, I'm thinking it's an eyeliner, but I don't really know because I can't really see anywhere on there that it says eyeliner. So, and of course I just cut all my fingernails off because they were annoying the heck out of me. And now I'm trying to get all this stuff off. Okay, it's coming. It's easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, I just bumped the camera. I'm sorry, guys. All right, so there's 2 sides. The first side, yep, there we go. It's going to be a liquid liner, which means everyone at work gets to fight over it because I don't use those. And let's see what's on the other side. Is it? Oh. Oh. So what do you like? Is it like for mascara? Is it? I have no idea, guys. All right, so when I go online and figure out what my stuff is in the bag, I'm sure they'll have a description, and I'll put that down there, and you guys can figure out with me what the heck that's for. I don't know. Is it a stamper? I don't know. What do you stamp? That'd be like a pretty big beauty mark. Do you remember, well, I mean, I'm sort of aging myself. I don't know if you know, you guys are same age as me. Probably. Or maybe not. Back when Madonna first came out, and this was in the 80s, she would draw this little beauty mark on her face. OMG, how many of us were drawing beauty marks on our face? Guilty. I was drawing beauty marks on my face. I had to have a little beauty. Listen, the things girls go through, I'm telling you. All right, so the next item is, it's by Aurora, and it says, for all lip lovers. It is a 24-hour lively lip stain. It's water-based, alcohol-free, paraben-free, perfume-free. Sounds good. And then the color on the end is this pink color, which looks nice. Let me see. Okay, I'm sorry, but that's a little odd, so I'm just going to draw on my hand. I really don't want to put this on my lips. I don't know, I just don't. Oh, okay, so watch how it kind of is like a soft tip. See how it kind of moves? It's like you're painting with a paintbrush. And so it looks like you could build on it. You know, make it darker if you want to make it darker, or just one thin little line. Well, it's actually pretty pigmented just with the faint line. That's not bad at all. I just don't like this. I don't know. There's something about it. It's just, you listen, I like new and trendy, but this is a little weird. I think it's a little weird. Okay. Just me. Next thing that's inside. Okay, this is by Hempz, and it says Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. And there it is. And I'd much rather put that on my lips. So let me try a little of that. Just gonna kind of put a little on my finger. Okay, so it's a nice consistency for softening. It's like a cream. You don't need a lot, because that's quite a lot. Okay. Okay, guys. It has a taste. But it's kind of nice. Okay, so it actually doesn't go on all that thick, but you don't need a whole lot, because that amount that I put on is probably too much, because it's kind of like gooey right now. Like, I used the wrong words. It's just, you could just tell that there's just a little bit too much on. That's all, which isn't a hugely bad thing. And I kind of like this. I think I'm going to keep it. Because usually, you guys know I don't like things having a taste, but this isn't too bad. And it sort of like, if I run my tongue over it, it's not as whatever. What is that taste? It tastes, now I'm not going to be able to tell you what, but like fruit, sort of fruity. And maybe in the description that I'm going to type below, it'll say what that is. Because I don't really see it on here. I mean, maybe it's just the herbal thing. I don't know. But it's nice. I like it, guys. I really like it. Okay, and the last item, oh my gosh, I'm at 9 minutes. The last item is, okay, I'm assuming that the name of the company is BRTC, because there's a BRTC front and then flipped and it's backwards. I don't know. Never heard of it, but I think that's what it is. So the flavor is Jasmine Waterful. Love Jasmine. Oh my God. And it's a foaming cleanser. And I'm assuming it's for your face. A daily foam cleanser that removes makeup and impurities without over drying. See? Maybe I should keep straining my eyes, and then, you know, we'll okay. I'm supposing to, like, oh, look, safe seal. All right, I'm not going to open it. Well, hold up. I can use this. Okay. Let's put a little bit on so I can smell it, because I'm interested in that jasmine. Okay. Okay, I think once you start rubbing it in, then you can like smell the jasmine. I have to say that when I first put it on my skin, sort of smelled like spit, and I was like, ooh. But then now I can smell the jasmine. Oh, you guys, I remember when Jim and I lived in Tucson? Nope, Long Beach. There was this, we lived, you know, on this street where when we would walk down to the grocery store, along the way, if you went at night, there was this night blooming jasmine bush that somebody had, and it was delicious. It smelled so good. Oh my gosh, I remember that. That was so lovely. And I'm well over 10 minutes. I have failed at my goal. But you guys, that's everything that's in my little ipsy bag. Some pretty cute stuff. We've got the brush. We've got the weird eyeliner thing that we don't know what the stamp is. We have a lip paintbrush. That's what it kind of looks like. This lovely lip stuff from Hempz, and a foaming jasmine cleanser for my face. So very, very happy about those. And I'll see you guys real soon, I'm sure, because now is the season of receiving lots and lots of boxes. So I'll see you soon. Bye.